They're still there?
They might leave.
They might leave. Let's try and catch them.
Then they can put on this YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, they're kissing.
They're kissing. No, they're feeding each other. Let's try and get closer. They're not smooching. They're
Last time they started humping each other. They actually did.
pigeon porn.
Pigeon porn.
I'm not David Attenborough. I'm not doing that. There's no way I'm doing that. Yeah, they're not kissing. They're grooming each other, and I'm so glad they're not doing anything else. Because otherwise I would stop filming. Don't scare them.
No, I didn't mean to.
Do they know that they've got an audience?
I don't know. No.
It's like, look round at us. Give him the middle finger. Hey guys. They're really offended.
Do up here.
They're really offended. God.
You did the middle finger to
I
them.
did. So they're leaving each other alone now. They know they're being watched. Should we knock on the window?
No, don't.
Yeah, let's knock on the window, come on.
I did it to quiet down already.
Where's that coming from?
Guys, I'm ordering food. Sorry.
Ew, he's pecking his butt. Ew, he's actually pecking his butt.
Hi, is it alright to order for collection?
Alright, we'll leave these two alone now. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.